When can you use the Carriere Motion appliance? As long as patient is class 2, can you use Carriere Motion appliance? And if you use Carriere Motion appliance, how much class 2 correction can you get? In other words, how effective is it? Can it fix full cusp class 2 or can it only fix end on class 2? There will be so many questions about the Carriere Motion appliance, but in this video, I will discuss about when to use Carriere Motion appliance briefly. So let's look at this case. Picture quality doesn't look good, but do you know why? Because this is not my patient, and my orthodontist friend sent these pictures to me using the Messenger app recently. He asked me if he could use the Carriere Motion appliance to fix the lip protrusion of this patient. Of course, I told him, you can. It is your patient and you are licensed to treat your patient as you wish. But will it work? That is the problem. Please note that the treatment goal was correcting the lip protrusion, not class 2 relationship improvement. Before deciding which appliance to use, let's do a treatment plan thoroughly. First, let's look at the face. Upper lip is protruded definitely, and chin is retruded. And let's evaluate upper central incisor torque. In this picture, it is slightly protruded, and in the lateral cephalogram, especially central incisors looked flare forward. Okay. If you want to retract upper incisors, you don't want to flare lower incisors in lip protrusion patient because if lower incisors are flare forward, then there will be less room for the upper incisor to be retracted. But in this particular patient, very interestingly, she has only 3 lower incisors. So, Carriere Motion appliance can be used for this patient because it is okay for the lower incisor to flare forward because still there will be room to retract upper incisors. Even if we can use Carriere Motion appliance, will it enough to correct lip protrusion? When we use Carriere Motion appliance, it is a non-extraction case. But improve the lip protrusion of this patient, distalization will not be enough. The amount of distalization with any appliance is less than when we extract first or second premolars. Whether we use a Carriere Motion appliance or headgear or any other distalizing appliance, it is the amount of distalization is less. So why not bother extracting third molars? We just extract premolars, then the retraction of upper lip will be the most.